Hey guys, how's it going? Hope you're having a lovely day. Today I'm going to show you how you can add your Twitch dashboard and Streamlabs activity into OBS so that you don't have to have like two apps open while you're streaming. Everything's all tucked away nice in one lovely application, and that's all you got to have up. So let's get to it. So once you have OBS open, you're going to go up here to View and then slide down to Docs and go to Custom Browser Docs. And from here, everything that you're going to enter from the Twitch dashboard and Streamlabs is going to be via a URL. So to get that URL, open up Twitch, go over here to your name and go to Creator Dashboard. And from here you have all these little sections that you can add. So you got your stream health, your info, your activity feed, your chat, everything. And so to add these and get the URLs that we want to add to OBS, you just click the three dots and click Pop Out. And from here at the very top is a URL. So just copy it, put it into OBS, and then name it. So this was my chat, so I'm just gonna type in Twitch chat. So if I go ahead and hit apply, this little doc's gonna pop up, and this is my Twitch chat. So now I can move it around and place it wherever I want it to go within OBS. It's got these little snap settings. So we'll put it here for now, and then, we can just play around with it later. So if I want my edit stream info to be in OBS, you do the same thing, pop out, copy the link, and put it into OBS. If you want to save a little bit of time, I'm going to include all of the Twitch dashboard activity URLs in the description below. And all you're going to have to do is change the part that says your channel name with your actual channel name. Now, after I've added one of these, say I click apply and maybe the pop-up box doesn't come up, just hit close. And if you ever accidentally remove one of these, you can always come back up here to view and then go to docs, and you can see the one that you added. So I just added stream health and I lost it somehow. I can just click this to mark it and it's gonna pop it back up so I can add it. You can also have all of these quick actions from Twitch added as well. Just gonna call it our quick actions. There are these in here. So now we've got all of our quick actions saved. And if you don't want to have edit stream info to be like its own tab over here, you can always just leave it here within the quick actions, click it, update your stuff, and then exit out if you don't want to have all the extra clutter like that. Now, if you're like me, you might use Streamlabs to manage your activity feed, and you might not actually use this Twitch one at all. No worries, we can pull that into. So go over here to Streamlabs, log in as you normally would, click on recent events, and then essentially the same thing as Twitch. You're gonna hit pop out right here. And this one is also going to give you a URL. So just add that as you would. We're gonna call this Streamlabs activity. Hit apply, and a nice little pop-up should come here. And let's see. And we're just gonna add it somewhere. So now you have all of your Streamlabs alerts added right there in OBS. So now I'm just gonna move these around to make some things a little bit bigger, easier to see. There we go. I usually keep these pretty small because I don't really use them all the time. My activity feed and my Twitch chat are definitely what get used the most. Whoa. Stream health, not really all that important. So these bottom ones I make pretty small. I make my activity and my chat super easy and big to read. And I use a vertical audio box. If you don't know, you can change this to a vertical or a horizontal layout. It's up to you. Also within Streamlabs activity, you can click these and they're gonna mark them as red. Or if you just wanna leave them up, it's up to you. And that is how I have simplified my stream setup. I hope you guys found this useful. If you did, feel free to leave a like. And if you want to see more, I plan on doing more tutorials that are around streaming and growing a gaming YouTube channel. So subscribe if you want to see more of that stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.